Hey everybody, it's Angelita Williams, and I've had a couple of teammates to ask me about a tool that I've been using called Prezi. And so to help out my team and anybody else who's interested in knowing how to use Prezi, I wanted to do a quick little video. Now I'm actually already signed in, so I actually want to just show you how simple it is from start to finish. I'm actually going to start like I don't have an account. So I'm gonna pick the option to start now. As you can see, Prezi has 3 different levels. There's a free membership. There's a $4.92 per month membership, but it's billed annually. And then there's a pro membership that gives you that costs $13.25 and it's billed annually. Also, if there's anybody out there who's a student or a teacher, you actually get the second option for free. You just have to have a school email address. So I'm going to go back right now to the regular license because although I am a teacher and I do have a student and teacher license, I'm going to proceed with just the free public license for now. So you put your information, Angelita Williams, learn to make money with Untitled.com. Agree to the terms and sign up. Okay, so once you get all signed up, oh look here, didn't even know this. If you refer 3 friends, we'll upgrade your account for free. I already have a free account, so maybe somebody else can use that. So you're going to make a new Prezi. So click that. You wait for them to load. Alright, so let's see. We are going to... There are templates already built in. Photographic, professional. Let's talk about reaching a goal. And our goal is to create a Prezi. The cool thing about Prezi is you can change the theme. So if I wanted to change the theme to summer, this is what it would look like. If I want to change it to cute, this is what it would look like. An elegant theme looks like this, so on and so forth. So you can play along with that once you create your own. I'm going to use this grass theme. Alright, so to use the grass theme, as you can see, it always starts off with a title page that shows the path that your Prezi will take. So showing my team how to use Prezi. There are 2 ways to go from each frame to the start. I can double click them here and it will simply zoom in, or I can actually click over here in the navigation pane to the left and it'll go there. So instead of calling this phase 1, I'm going to call it first steps. Alright, go to www.prezi.com, sign up, and that's it. So that's the first thing. I actually demonstrated that, so that was pretty easy. And let's say we wanted to insert a graphic. What I really like about Prezi is it gives you the option to insert an image, symbols and shapes, diagrams. You can insert a YouTube video. You can add background music. You can even add a voiceover. But you add the voiceover to that specific path. You can insert something from a file or from your collection. For now, I'm just going to insert an image. And then when you insert an image, you actually have 2 options. You can insert an image by searching on Google, and you can actually select images from your computer. So I'm going to search for Google, and I'm going to search only for images licensed for commercial use. And I'm going to search for Prezi. So you just type Prezi and you hit search. Notice it put the first graphic on the Prezi already, but you can also scroll through the different options that were available on Google based on the criteria that I set. So So I'm actually just going to use the Prezi logo. So I select the picture that I wanted and I hit insert. It loads it for me. And then I'm actually going to just move over to the right. And we're going to go to next steps. Second steps. Log in and create a new Prezi. Alright, so let's say I wanted to center this. I will highlight my text. It's just like Word. Go to the option and hit center. Or let's say I wanted to change the color. I could highlight the text and change it to purple. Let's say I wanted to change this text up here to look like a title and not a subtitle. So it's really using your basic word processing skills to change the text and to insert pictures and to move things around. We have the option to insert graphics from the computer. I'm just going to use one from my computer. Let's see. I'll do this one. You can move it around. I can stretch it and make it really big, or I can make it really small. I'll move it under here. And let's say at this point I wanted to preview my Prezi to see what it looks like. I would hit present, hit allow, showing my team how to use Prezi. So it always starts with the overview of the path that your Prezi will take. It goes to path number 2 because your overview is path number 1. First steps, go to Prezi and sign up. Second steps, log in, create a new Prezi. And we haven't gotten to the third step yet, so I'm actually going to hit escape. We can edit and animate. Animate this Prezi path. Alright, I'm going to center that. And there are 2 ways to enlarge. Let's say I wanted to enlarge this text while I'm at it. I can hit the plus sign. I can hit the minus sign. I can edit text and actually hit this A to enlarge it, or this A to shrink it. To edit a path, if you scroll over where these numbers are, see how this 2, when I scrolled over it, it says double click to edit path. So I would double click this. Sometimes you have to unlock the canvas. So unlock the canvas over here. Double click. When you double click, see these lines. Actually, let me go to the main one. When I double clicked, it shows you the path of the Prezi. So now it's going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's going to come back to this and be 6 because it's going to end with another overview of the path that the Prezi took. So if I wanted to animate path number 2, I click on the 2. When this is orange instead of blue, it lets me know that now I can click there. And you see it has a 1 right here and a green star because I want that to go first. And I want the graphic to come up second and then my list to be third. So then I hit play to preview it. First steps, shows me the logo, shows me my bullet points. Alright, so let's go to step number 3. If I wanted to animate, now I want to show you what happens if you forget to click this 3 and make it turn orange. If I click this here, it added it to the last, to number 6, so that means it would come back here. If you make a mistake and do that, it's really simple. You just click the little red X to make it go away. So remember to click the 3. I want this to go first. I want this to be second and this to be third. Preview it. Boom, boom, boom. Exactly what I want. Done. Alright, so now let's see what the Prezi looks like with animation, and then I'm actually going to end the video because I know you get it at this point. Oh, I didn't start from the beginning. Alright, so showing my team how to use Prezi. Notice it's blank now. First steps, we're going to log into Prezi.com and sign up. Second steps, log in, create a new Prezi, and then that's to do it. And then edit and animate Prezi and escape. When it ends, again, it's going to come back to the beginning. So that's really it. A little short, sweet, simple demonstration for how Prezi works. Of course, there are more advanced things that you can do. But at this point, I just wanted to show you how you can gain access to it and how easy it is for you to create your Prezi. If you decide to create one, I can't wait to see it. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video.